Can you guys hear the thunder? So last night, we did not do the camp out. We saw that there was a 10% chance of rain and did not want to risk it, and the wind was starting to pick up, so we really didn't want to. Thunder. So we didn't want to chance it. Well, it's a good thing that we didn't sleep out, because at midnight I got up and heard the garage door come open, and because the wind blows our big heavy door that leads from the house to the garage, and that got blown open, and so I went to close it, and I could hear thunder and lightning and rain, and I was like, I'm glad we didn't camp out. And this morning the same thing, and then it kind of cleared up, and it's back. So we could have used it yesterday, and neighbor's combine bearing sparked, and it started a fire, and my cousin came in, freaked me out, freaked us out. There was this huge fire that was burning. Come to find out, it was just a little bit, but luckily we were prepared. We have a water truck that we use, and we have that prepared for fire season, so we were prepared for that as a community. But yeah, so camp out has been rescheduled. I don't know, these clouds kind of look, you can't really tell. See, that looks blue back behind me, but to here, it's, if you can't see it through the tree, but it is dark. Like, it looks light in the camera, but that is dark. So I think we'll just have to, because school starts soon, we'll just have to save the camp out for another time. It's fair week. I don't have an animal for fair, but we do go to fair and rodeo, so I don't know, we might not be going this year. I don't know, we'll see how it goes and what happens, so we'll see what goes on. I hope you guys are ready for school to start, so I don't know. I think I'm going to go in and do some more cleaning and taking up and going from there. And got some laundry to do, and I'm going to enjoy listening to the thunder and the rain. I think I've been doing these videos a lot where I talk about the thunder going. So, and I like listening to the thunder and the rain. So, it's kind of a calming sound. So, but that's why. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed the tent tours video, and we'll see what happens this week and what happens, because I've got a baptism, and my family trying to clean our church, and we have a doctor's appointment to fit in this weekend, and fair. So we'll see how this goes. We might have to cut back, we might have to keep some. So we'll see how this goes. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.